Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam, this is my jam, and I have an unboxing, or reveal, not unboxing, this isn't a box, it's a bag. I have a reveal for you. This is also in collaboration with Dawn Loves Couture and Autumn Beckman. So I'll have them linked in the description box below, their videos. Want to make sure you go over and watch them too. You probably came from them, but if you didn't, I recommend going over there too.
I think they came from watching them. I don't think they came from them.
True. So, yes, I'm not saying that, no, we're not talking about giving birth or anything.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, this is a Mulberry unboxing. Autumn Beckman is the best at finding phenomenal deals. This one was the deal of the century. This was, I want to say $1,400 off of retail. She found this, and me, her, and Dawn all ended up getting something, and we all got something a little bit different. So I'm going to show you what I got today, and I'm just really excited about it. I don't know what it is, but I've been into this color lately, and yeah. So if you might have guessed, it's something from Mulberry. And this, like I said, this was approximately $1,400 off of retail.
So what was the regular price?
You know, I really wish that I knew that. Here's my receipt. Let me look at the receipt. Let's see if that tells me.
Usually a receipt will.
No, it just says quantity 1.
Oh, good.
And then it's got
So you only bought one.
Free shipping. I know, I almost bought more.
Oh, Lord.
Okay. What I got,
You haven't wanted one of these for a long time.
No, I haven't at all. This bag was not on my radar whatsoever. The price got me, and the color. I wasn't sure if I was going to get it, even though it was a phenomenal deal. These were brand new. They were shipped from the factory. But when this color was here...
Oh boy, I know what color streak you're in lately,
I had to do it.
I'm not going to spill the
I got
Smurf beans here.
the Little Softie from Mulberry in this metallic blue goodness.
So it's a pillow purse.
Look at this. Look at this chain. This super substantial silver chain. It is not adjustable, so to speak, but I know that you can kind of pin stuff together and do different things with it to make it a little more adjustable. It is removable. Just want to give you a spin here. Again, this is the Little Softie. So we have the front here, the side, the back, the side, the top,
and the butt.
And the bottom. And then this has beautiful silver hardware. And then it opens up. And it is leather through here. And then the interior has a leather pocket. One slip pocket. And then it's mainly fabric, or like a nylon. I believe it is a nylon inside. So the bag is leather and nylon. It is... You pick it up and you don't want to put it down because it's like a comfort thing. It's really nice. I know he's laughing at me like I'm a crazy person, but
look at that lady. She's petting her purse.
It's so nice. And I do think that this will fit more than you think in it. I mean, that's a pretty good pocket. I think that if you had a square wallet, you could probably fit that in there. Well, what else do you need besides your wallet and your cell phone? I mean, you wouldn't have to take anything else. So I'd probably use this more as a wallet on chain, but it actually would fit more than a wallet on chain, at least like more than the Chanel or something like that in it. Especially because it is pliable, so you probably could stuff it, and nobody probably know you stuffed it because it already is all puffy. So yeah, this is what I have today. I think this is really neat. This is just like my mini purse. So look at this. I could put this right inside here. Pretend I wanted to use this as my wallet. I could just tuck it right in there. at that. I could put it in, maybe. Wait, it's being fussy. It doesn't want me to put it in there. But I want to put it in there because look at, I could have like a separate strap for it. Yeah, I think there's easier ways to do that, but it's still doable. See, the strap on this one is removable. So it would probably be easier just to not put this bag inside of this, the one bag inside the other one. But if I wanted to, I could use this leather strap, which is adjustable, removable. But these are the same blues. So I got this one and I loved it, but I knew I wanted a bag in it, but I didn't know if I really wanted to spend the money for a metallic blue until this came along. I mean, this was cheaper than like Louis Vuitton SLGs, so I just couldn't resist. So this was right about $300, and normally they were like $1,700 or $1,800. So it was a great deal. And watch Autumn's community page. I'm telling you, she gives phenomenal deals, and just like this, you'll never know what you find. And again, this color was on my radar, not necessarily this bag, but now I'm glad I have one. It's, I think, my only real puffy bag. Well, I have a couple Coach bags that are kind of puffy too, but I just really love it. So that's actually all I have for you today with this one. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. You can hit the little bell notification and you'll be notified every time I put up a video. You can find me over on Instagram. If you haven't already, I'm James Jam over there as well. It's JAME_S_Jam. Really love it when you leave comments down below. I really like interacting with everybody, try to make sure I answer every comment, and it's just nice. It helps me get to know everybody a little bit better because I really appreciate you being here. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
So how much Botox did they put in that bag?